More on Kevin McCarthy. Everybody in US has some responsibility for Capitol riot. Jill Biden visits National Guard troops, thanks them with cookies. Zip tie guy at Capitol riot had arsenal of weapons, including sniper rifle. Feds Schumer pushes Trump impeach trial to February. As Biden preferred a former Marine who once went viral for his role in rescuing dogs from rising floodwaters has been charged with attacking a federal officer and inciting violence during the Jan. 6 uprising on Capitol Hill. Ryan Nichols, 30, from Longview, Texas, was caught on camera pepper spraying a law enforcement official and using a bullhorn to encourage his fellow rioters to deploy weapons against authorities, according to court documents. It was a far cry from Nichols' last brush with fame. He appeared on The Ellen DeGeneres Show in 2018 after he was caught on camera rescuing 6 abandoned dogs from Hurricane Florence flooding in North Carolina, NBC News reports. At the time, Nichols said he was compelled to travel across the country to provide aid after his home and business were flooded during Hurricane Harvey the year before. Now, Nichols' most recent cross-country trip has resulted in charges that include civil disorder, conspiracy and unlawful entry with a dangerous weapon, according to Department of Justice records. The former military man was arrested for his role in the deadly riot on Monday in Texas. He is being held at the Smith County Jail in Tyler. A criminal complaint against Nichols and his friend Alex Kirkhark, 32, who has also been arrested, said the FBI was alerted to social media photos and videos showing the pair breaching the state house. One photo is captioned, "We're in. We ain't done yet. We just got started," says another caption. In another post, Nichols wrote, "Patriots stood their ground today. We aren't done yet either. You want to steal our election and not hear us in court? Good. Now you'll hear our civil unrest," the post said, according to the affidavit. The complaint alleges that video shared on social media shows Nichols brandishing a crowbar and yelling into a bullhorn to rile up the rioters to commit violence. In the clip, Nichols is on the ledge of a broken window in the Capitol before trespassing into the building. "If you have a weapon, you need to get your weapon," Nichols yelled. "This is the second revolution right here, folks. This is not a peaceful protest," he is heard saying on the clip, according to the complaint. Nichols was also caught on video spraying what appears to be pepper spray at an unknown agent guarding the Capitol building, court papers said. Meanwhile, Hark posted on Snapchat, "We're inches to people killed already. We need all the patriots of this country to rally the F up and fight for our freedom, or it's gone forever." "Give us liberty, or give us death. We won't stand for it." The photo Hark posted appears to show him carrying a baton, documents said. Investigators said Nichols operated a second Facebook page promoting violence against lawmakers. One post on the page showed a picture of a bullet with a caption reading, "By bullet or ballot, restoration of the Republic is coming." Close quote. A December 28 post on Nicole's secondary page read, "Pence better do the right thing, or we're going to make you do the right thing," the criminal complaint said. The cover page on Nicole's Facebook profile was a picture of him being praised as a hero on his own television appearance, according to NBC. An error message from Facebook said, "We temporarily hiding some results for this search query," when the post searched for his profile. More than 100 people have been arrested for their role in the riots, which left 5 people dead, including a Capitol Police officer. Authorities have promised to make hundreds of additional arrests.